Work with yourself, work with your personality, and find something that suits you well. Hi guys, this is the episode 1 of the series which I talked to you guys about. The series, like I said, that I will be starting on my YouTube. So it's related to 10 random things or 10 things that every girl must आगे I will fill in the blanks, like it will be related to anything. So yes, this video is related to grooming tips. So yes, in this video I will be adding 10 things that every girl must know about grooming. So yes, like in this video I will add all the grooming tips and tricks, and yes, so if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi, and I love making content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So yes, as I said in the initial part, this video is dedicated to the grooming tips for the girls. So yes, if you guys want to know some grooming tricks and things that you can do to look a bit more groomed, well presented, then this is the video for you. So yes, if you guys don't have an idea regarding the series which I am doing, then I will add a link of the video where I have explained everything. So yes, you guys can check out that video as well. I will add the link in the description and in the I button, the cards which come here or here. So yes, you guys can check it out. And what do you think about this top? I absolutely love this top. How colorful, how breezy and how pretty it is. And I absolutely love the sleeves thing. That, see how pretty it is looking, and let me know what do you think, how does it look on me? So yes, I will be posting pictures on Instagram, so if you have not followed me there, please go ahead. I will add the link in my description box. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. I know it's very early to say that please subscribe, but yes, I feel if you are here till now that you will like my video. So yes, without talking too much, I will jump right into the video. I follow these grooming tips quite regularly. I must say I follow some tips on daily basis and some on weekly basis. So yes guys, change of background. So I'm back in my room, my son is playing there and I already started shooting the video. So yes, we'll continue from here. Small disclaimer guys, you don't have to do this. It's not 100% that you have to do this. I am sharing this tips and tricks because I personally feel that it's very essential to look groomed. My first tip would be shaving your face. I know that so many people are very scared that after started shaving that you will grow a man beard and that. So yeah guys, trust me that your hair will not grow hard, bushier or more like a man. It doesn't happen, trust me. Even I recently started shaving and I was also very skeptical about it, but yes, if I am sharing something with you, so you guys know that I will not share something that is not true or which I am not following personally. So with shaving you have to take care of few things, and I feel it's very hygienic if it's done in a very proper way. So yes, you have to take care of many things, that you not cut yourself and anything. So if you guys want me to make a separate video on how to shave your face and that, so yeah, please let me know in the comment section. So moving on to the second tip, that is grooming your eyebrows. So let me show you. As you all know that this is a quarantine time and lockdown had just lifted and we are not able to go out to our parlor wali didis. So yes, everyone, I'm also at home and I'm not able to go out, but I am wearing makeup, but yes, I groomed my eyebrows using shaving only. So it is a little bit of eyebrow product only. So as you can see, so this I groomed the upper part and the lower part. So your eyebrows can make or break your look. So according to me, it's very important that your eyebrows are groomed properly. It frames your face properly and it gives a very like fine and symmetrical look to your face. Guys, you don't have to like specifically do this, but again what I feel that it gives a very clean look to your face. Moving on to the third tip, third tip. So third tip is exfoliating your face. I feel exfoliating your face is very important. So like there is lot of dirt and gunk sitting in on your face, so like personally I like to exfoliate my like face twice a week. So that totally depends on you. If you want to do that twice a week or once a week, that totally fine. Like sometimes I do like I skip a day and I like scrub. What I do, like a personal tip, what I do, I will add face wash and like 1 drop of face wash and 1 drop of scrub, and then I will massage my face a bit and like I am sorted. So if you guys don't have a scrub at home, I will share a homemade scrub kind of DIY thing with you. You can use sugar and olive oil. Sugar can be your white sugar which we use regularly in the kitchen, or if you guys have brown sugar, that is like more fine. So yes, mix the things together and then apply it on your face and like circle, like massage your face like this, like in a circular motion, and wash it off after 10 minutes. So it will give a very healthy glow to your skin. So yes, like if you guys don't have a scrub at home, then you can definitely follow this tip. So the next tip guys is like removing the blackheads on, like I personally speaking, I have major dark hair, like blackheads over here, sorry, dark heads. So I have major dark what is wrong with me? And again, like we cannot go out, so for removing blackheads also, like you can use the similar scrub, like same scrub that I have mentioned in the previous point. Like it's very helpful. It will help removing all the dead skin and the blackheads whichever is there, leaving your skin with a very, you know, supple and juicy look, because olive oil helps in like covering the like giving a very fine, smooth and glow to your face. And sugar, like it's a natural exfoliate agent, you know that. So guys, my next grooming tip or trick is moisturizing your face and like even your body. It's very important to moisturize yourself, like to keep your skin hydrated. I feel this is very important. And in other tips, like I have mentioned that you, like it's not necessary that you do that, but personally I feel like this step is very important. Moisturizing is very important for you. So like you can pamper your skin using any sheet mask. Like any sheet mask will use a proper moisturizer. Like if you have dry skin, then use a moisturizer that is suited for dry skin people. If you have extremely dry skin, then you can use Clinique. Like I'm mentioning one because I love that moisturizer. If you have oily skin, then you use water based like moisturizers. That one Urban Botanics moisturizer is amazing for oily skin people. So yes guys, be it any skin type, like I cannot emphasize enough on this step, like moisturizing. It's very important. And if you guys want to use some home products, like you can use milk curd to moisturize yourself. Like if you want to pamper yourself and give yourself a good like home thing, so yes, you can like work with home remedies. Just moisturize yourself, not only your face, your hands, your feet, your full body. It's very important. And I feel like, as I was mentioning, that exfoliating is also very important. I have created like a video related to a scrub, like McAfee scrub. Like if you have not watched that video already, I will add the link in the description or in the iCards. It might come here or here. Like you guys check it out. It's an amazing product, so like you guys will love it. So coming to the next step is like, next grooming tip or grooming hack is like applying makeup. I know it's a very controversial topic and many people don't like it. Again, I am saying that you don't have to do it. So personally speaking, I love makeup, like you guys know that by now. And makeup doesn't necessarily means a full face of foundation, concealer, compact powder and everything. You don't have to do everything. Like for me, like when I go to office, I don't apply anything on my face, just eyeliner, kajal, lipstick, and then I am sorted. So everyone has a different definition of looking groomed. So for me, it's like just basic steps, like my eyebrows should be done, my face should be moisturized, and I have little bit of lip gloss or lipstick on my lips, and eyeliner, kajal, then that is it for me. Okay, like sorry about the disturbance, kids are playing outside. I don't know why. Like as soon as I stop shooting the video, they go inside, and as soon as I start shooting and they again start playing, and like they are making lots of noise. I don't know. Yeah, so coming to the next step, it's like nail care. Take care of your nails, like keep them clean, keep them manicured. I don't mean like going to parlor, that just cut them and file them properly, apply a nice nail paint, or like leave them naturally. Just keep them clean and well groomed. Like you can use argan oil or castor oil, that works wonderfully for your nails. So coming on to the next grooming tip is like using a deo or perfume. I feel hygiene is the most important thing. Like I will highly recommend everyone to use a deo or perfume, like a small Nivea one or common basic Nivea one will also work. You don't have to necessarily spend lots of money on like one perfume or deo. Just the main focus should be like keeping yourself refreshed and clean and smelling nice, because like if someone doesn't smell nice, that is the end. Like that doesn't look nice, that is not good. Like for me, if you have done so much, you are dressed up, you are looking good, and you are wearing lots of makeup and you are looking pretty, but if you are not smelling good, that is it. Like that is a very like big turn off. It is for me. I don't know for others. Like you guys, let me know what do you think about this. So the next grooming tip or trick is like dressing properly. So I cannot emphasize enough on the like importance of dressing properly for your body shape, for your body type. Like if you are a plus size girl like me, that doesn't necessarily means that you have to dress in baggy clothes. Like you can dress in a like you can use the particular clothing that flatters your body type. Like I am a apple shaped girl, so I like to tend to like wear top that flares at my side area, and it gives me a curvy look. So yes guys, if you want me to make a video regarding that, how to dress according to your body type, then you guys let me know in the comment section. I will make one for. So guys, the next and the last step of this like video, this series, is like groom and take care of your feet. Like taking care of our faces, our bodies, dress up and smelling nice and everything, we ignore our feet. Like that is feet. So that is like a big no for me. Just keep your feet very clean, very like scrub your feet once in a while, like once in a month or like twice in a month. You can do that. Again, using the same mask which I like, exfoliating mask which I told you guys. Like, and if you guys want me to like make a video regarding DIY like face mask or like face scrubs that you can use at home, then you guys let me know. So yes guys, my last tip is grooming your feet is very important. Like keep it clean. Wear like if you are wearing a very nice pair of heels and your feet are not looking nice, like your like ankles are cracked or anything, it doesn't look nice. So take care of your feet, it is very important. So with that guys, like I am like ending the video over here. So please let me know what do you think about this tips and tricks. Did you like those? And please let me know if these tips and tricks helped you guys like in any way. And like, what do you think about this series? Like, what do you think about this idea? Like, if you guys like the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Like, comment, like it will help me a lot. Like, comment and share this video with like girls like who like you think that it might benefit someone. So yes, with that I am signing off. Please let me know what do you think about this video. And yeah, I hope that you like this video. Bye, take care. I will see you in my next one.